So wheeling a e-bike. This is my YT Decoy. I found that the easiest way to wheel is to actually just turn the motor off. Even in like the eco mode, which is like the least powerful mode, it's still like super easy to like loop out because once you reach the balance point, it's really sensitive. So just a little bit of pedal input and you'll kind of start looping out. So the only thing I do different than like on a regular bike is I put the seat a little bit higher, and then you just gotta, just to get the initial the front end off the ground, you gotta pedal and pull a little higher. But once you reach the balance point, it's pretty much the same like a regular wheelie. So that is the best way I found. Just turn the motor off, and then after that, it's just like wheeling a regular mountain bike. And this is just going uphill on the boardwalk. And with the e-bike, it's like super easy. It's like you're riding on flat ground.